Hello, guys. Hello. I welcome you all for today's session. Today, we are going to learn a new topic that is joins in SQL. Now, sir, what is the meaning of joins? Why we need to study joins? First of all, let's understand that. Okay. Before starting the topic, let's discuss on situation. Okay. Situation, or you can say let's discuss an example. Okay. Now, suppose you want to eat best quality fruits. Okay. Let's say you want to eat best quality grapes. Okay. Best quality mangoes. Okay. Best quality oranges. Okay. You want to buy best quality, and you are a good geography student. Okay. So you know that the grapes much better quality you can get in Nagpur or Nashik. Which place? Nashik. Mango, let's say most popular we have heard Ratnagiri, Hapusam, Ratnagiri. These are the places in Maharashtra. Okay. Oranges, Nagpur. Okay. These are the popular places where you can get best quality. Nashik is famous for grapes, Nagpur is famous for oranges, Ratnagiri mangoes. Okay. Now you want to buy these things. See, there are two options you can buy. Okay. Two options. So first option is go to respective place. Okay. Means for buying the best quality grapes, you can go to Nashik. For mangoes, you can go Ratnagiri. For oranges, you can go Nagpur. That is the one thing. Or go to dealer. Sir, what is dealer? See, guys, always when you want to buy something, house related grocery items, you go to nearby mall or nearby shops, nearby store. Okay. They may have collected all things first only. You just go and directly purchase with some commission you need to give it. Okay. So which option is best? If you go to respective places, three places you have to go. Okay. So going cost, returning back cost, and buying that fruit and bearing cost. Okay. That is more costly and time consuming also. But when we go to the second option, in the second option, just nearby location, less time, just order it, give some only a few commission, you can get the foods easily. Which option is best? Obviously, second option is the best option. So why are we discussing this example? Here in the joins concept also, we use this concept. Why? Joins means what? Joins means combining. Okay. Combining the tables. When you combine the result of table, combine. Okay. Why we combine? So that we can get the output easily. When we are using the subquery concept, in the subquery concept, what is happening? We are jumping from one table to another table. Okay. Time consuming process. So we need a solution. If we combine the table and try to fetch the result, then we can get the result easily. Okay. That's why we are learning the concept of joins. And in detailed explanation, I will give. Okay. Don't worry. Now, why we need joins? Okay, let's move to the technical part. So, first main reason is optimization. Sir, what is the meaning of the word optimization? Okay, now you have seen in the subquery. In the subquery, one thing you have noticed whenever we are increasing the number of conditions. So, what is happening? The number of lines of code, or you can the lines of a query is getting increased. Okay, whenever we are using multiple tables, then also number of lines of code got increasing. Okay, so what is happening here? Here the thing is happening here is more time it will take to execute the query, more time it will take to execute the code, and more memory it will take. Yes, sir. So what we need? We need limited or less lines of query or less lines of code so that we consume less time. It will consume less memory so that we can get a result faster. So that we need better optimization. Second, second main reason is definition. Display output from, or you can say retrieve, or display output from multiple tables simultaneously. Now, what is the meaning of the word simultaneously? Simultaneously means at the same time. We have learned this in which topic? SQL statements. You have remembered five types of SQL statements are there: TDL, DML, TCL, TCL, okay, transaction, data control language. Then last, joins. Joins comes in which part? TQL, data query language. Okay, I hope you have remembered. Sir, what is the meaning? Why? See, guys, when we are using subquery, we are jumping from one table to another table. We can either display the department details, we can either display the employee details, but both we can't display at the same time. We want to display both at the same time. We want output from both, which is possible in joins concept because we are joining the table and we can fetch the data from multiple tables simultaneously. Hope you have understood. These two are the main reasons. Now, let's discuss about the types of joins. There are five types of joins are there. Five. Which are the types? First is cross join, or also called as Cartesian join. Okay, Cartesian join, cross join or Cartesian join. Second one is inner join, or you can also call as equi join. Okay. Third type. Third one is natural join. Okay. Fourth. Fourth one is what? Outer join. Okay. Fifth. Fifth one is self join. Now here in the outer join also there are some types are there. What are the types? Types are left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join. Okay, these three are the subtypes which we will learn later. Today, what is our target? Today, our target or objective is to cover these three joins: cross join or Cartesian join, inner or equi join, natural join. These three workings we will see and we will practice some queries. Okay. First step is Cartesian or cross join. Why it is used? It is used to get all possible combination. All possible combination. Wait a second. All possible combination. To get all the possible combination, we use Cartesian or cross join. Sir, what is the meaning of all possible combinations? Let's say if I give you an example. Let's say you have two color pants. Okay, boys, I'm discussing. Let us assume boys or girls. No, nothing wrong. Pants. Let's say you have red color pant. No, red color pant is not possible. Let's say, black color pant. Black color pant is there, and blue color formals. Okay, blue color pant is there. Now let's discuss about shirts. One is, let's say, white color shirt is there. One more is, let's say, brown color shirt is there. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of all possible combination? How it will make the combination? One shirt or one pant only we can wear at a time. Yes. So what we will do? Black shirt, white pant. No, sorry. Black pant, white shirt. Black pant, brown shirt. Okay. So what is that? Black pant, white shirt. Black pant, brown shirt. Okay. Two combinations done. Okay. Blue pant, white shirt. Blue pant, white shirt. Blue pant, brown shirt. Blue pant, brown shirt. Okay. So combinations, four combinations is being made. Yes. Any other combination is possible? No. We are able to see what all the combinations is possible. Now, what is happening here? There are two syntax are there. ANSYS syntax is there, Oracle syntax is there. Oracle syntax is, this syntax is valid in the Oracle software, which we are using, Oracle 11G, Oracle DBMS software. But ANSYS syntax is valid universal. It can be run on any type of DBMS software. Okay, it is universal. What is the full form of ANSI? American National Standard Institute. Okay, so I would prefer you to at least remember ANSI syntax. If you can remember both syntax, okay. But I would prefer ANSI syntax. If you don't remember syntax, it's like you know the concept. You are given the weapon. Syntax is like how to use the weapon in the war. Okay, you are gone to the war. You don't know syntax. You don't know how to use it. It's like attempting suicide in the war. Okay, you can't fight. If you know how to use the syntax, at least a 50% chances that you will win. Old example. Now question. Write a query to display EMP and DPD table. So what I will write? Select asterisk means all details I want to display. So I will what which symbol I will use? Asterisk. Select asterisk from, what is the syntax? Table name 1 cross join table name 2 from EMP cross join DPT. This is the only syntax. Answer syntax. No need to remember anything else. Okay. If you want to try an Oracle syntax, it's up to you, but it will work in the Oracle software. Select star from EMP cross join DPT. That's all. How it will work, I will display and see. I will show you. You can look at the display and can understand well. You can clearly see here two tables are there, EMP, DPT. All possible combinations means what? Department 10, first record of DPT, this second, this. Okay, sorry. For first record only I am seeing. Depart 10 accounting New York. Okay. First record, all possible combinations with first record only it will make. Okay. For second record also similar thing will happen. This is where all possible combinations will be made. Sir, how to know total combination is how much? See guys, first of all, you can see in the EMP table there are 14 records. 14 records means 14 rows. Okay. Here how much? 4 records. So total how many rows will be there? 14 into 4. 56. For total 56 record will be displayed as in final output. Okay. You can clearly see here 56. 56. This is the output. You can see what all the possible combination 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. 10 is repeating. How many times 10 is repeating? If you want, you can count 14 times. Okay. And I think four groups will be there. 14 into 4, 56. You can clearly see. And total how many columns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. 8 columns in the year of, oh, sorry. 8, is it visible? 8 columns in the EMP table and 4 columns in the DPT table. 8 plus 4, 12. So you can see in the output more number of false records. False records means what, sir? So what is happening here is in the EMP table, department number 10 is there. So in the DPT table, how we are jumping based on department 10. So 10 records, 10 should match 10 accounting something. This should be there. But 10, 20, 10, 30, it's making the combination which is of no use. False records. So that's why we don't use the Cartesian join every time. but want to see some combination. That's why I given an example where we don't have an idea. To know an idea, we use Cartesian or cross join. Okay. Now, number of columns is sum of columns of the both the table. Okay. Why straight line is not coming? Wait a second, I'll try again. Now coming. Sum of columns of both table and number of records is product of records of both table. Why it is called Cartesian? Cartesian means what? Product, multiplication. Okay, I have you got it. Now you can see what is inner or equijoin. Syntax is also written. What priority we are going to be syntax? Oracle or ANSI? ANSI. Okay. Now what is inner or equijoin? Used to obtain the matching records. Department number, with help of department number, we are able to jump from one table to another table. We have seen in subquery. Okay. Now I want department number 10 details in the same record only. Okay. For that, which concept we will use? Inner join. Okay. In the syntax, one thing is mentioned join condition. We need to mention merging. See what I mentioned? Matching records. Okay. Matching one bay on which part? By looking at the table, we can see department number column is same. So based on department we want. But the system can't understand. We need to mention the condition. So what is the condition? Table name 1, EMP. Common column, department number. Table name 2, DPT. Column name what? Department number. Okay. I hope you have got it. Now, again, same question. Now, by using inner join, we will do select asterisk from EMP inner join TPT on join condition. What is the join condition? Table name 1 EMP dot common column name. What is what? Department number is equal table name to what? DPT dot common column what? Department number. Okay. This is how we will write the query. Now we can see the working well. Now what is happening here? It will check. First record will check with the rest all records, which are the matching records are 20 which matching with 10. No. 20 with 20 is matching. Yes. So we are getting the first record. Now for second record, 10 is matching with 10. Yes. 10 is matching with 20. No. 10 is matching with 30. No. So second record we got. Okay. This is how we will display the output. This is sample table. Employee number, E name, department number. Okay. Department number, D name, location. So with the help of this table, we can easily able to see details from both table. Okay, join condition is also perfect. 30. 30 is matching with 10? No. 30, 20? No. 30, 30? Yes. So this record got selected. Okay, means fetched out. All department values will compare and filter the matching records, matching the department number. I hope you are getting it. So with help of this, we can able to easily get the details from both the tables. Okay, let's see an examples. Okay, before seeing the example, if I say you write a query to display the uh, department name and e-name of employees. Okay, how you will get? I want the department name of Smith. What is the department name of Smith? By looking at the table, just see. Department name of Smith is 20. 20 is operation. So I want operation and Smith name as a final output. So with the help of inner join, we can get it. I hope you have got it. E-name and department name. How will you write the query? Select E-name, comma, D-name from EMP, inner join, TPT. Okay, what is the join condition? On table name 1, column name. EMP dot department number is equal to DPT dot department number. This is how we will write the query. Okay, wait a second. It's not hyphen, it's a dot. Hmm. EMP dot department or the DPT dot department. This is how we write the query. One more beautiful question. Now here, I want to display the employee name and his salary along with the location where employees are earning more than 2000. Okay. So what I will write, select what I want to display, employee name, e-name. What I want to display is salary. What I want to display the location. Okay. So what I will write location from EMP inner join DPT. Okay, sir. EMP inner join DPT on join condition on EMP dot department number. Till now everything is same. Okay. EMP dot department number is equal to DPT dot department number. Everything is okay till now. Now condition is there. Earning more than 2000. Okay. Earning more than 2000. So what I will write? Where clause. Where clause is to filter the condition. Earning means what? Salary greater than 2000. This is how we will write the query. Now suppose if I add one more condition, let's say I added and works in department number 20 comma 30. Okay. Now I added one more condition. So what you will do? You will add the condition. Use which operator you will use? And operator. Okay. So and department number in operator you will use. Okay. 20 comma 30. You will think all is okay. But it will throw an beautiful error. Throw an error. Sir, what error? The error name is column ambiguity error. Ambiguity means what? Confusion. Sir, what confusion? See, guys. So department number column is same. Means column name. Department number is in employee table also and in DPT table also. Now, which department number column should I take? Employee table department number or department table column department number? DPT table or EMP table? Now compiler is getting confused. We need to mention it clearly. Okay. So that's why we need to mention clearly how, like in the joint condition we mentioned same way. You can take EMP also, DPT also, no problem. EMP dot department number in. Okay. In good way I will write. Let's say EMP dot department number in 20 comma 30. Or you can use DPT also. No worries. Okay. I hope you have got it. Okay, guys. One more question. Okay. Now here, what I want to display, employee name, salary along with the department details. So what I want to display, select e-name, salary, department details is all columns of DPT table. So I will write EMP dot star like that, DPT dot star. Wait a second. It's dot dot. Okay. From which table? From EMP inner join DPT. Okay. What is the join condition? On EMP dot department number is equal to DPT dot department number. This is the join condition. Now, what is the condition saying? Employees are working in department number 10. So, where department number is equal to 10. If you write like this, it will throw an error again. Again, department number, which table I should, department number one should I take? EMP table, DBT table, not mentioned. So I need to clarify. Take EMP From EMP table, take the department number column, EMP dot department number equal to time. You can use in operator equal to for single value. Okay. Natural join. Okay. See guys, natural join, it has two behaviors. First of all, if there is a relationship between two tables, then it act like a inner join. Means what? If there is a common column, like EMP DPT table column form is what? Department number. Okay. Sometimes the column. Okay, leave that. I will discuss about the sometimes what I told. I will tell later. First, just remember for now, if there is a relationship between two tables, then it act like inner join. If there is common column, matching records filtering, then it can act like inner join. But if there is no relationship between two tables, it act like a cross join. Cross join means what? All possible combination. When it will happen? When two tables have, wait a second, no common column. Means both table don't have any relation only. That type all possible combination we can see. Then that situation it will act like cross join. When there is a common column, it will act like inner join. Only one syntax is there, answer syntax. Okay. Oracle syntax is not there. Select column or expression from table name 1, natural join table name 2. Okay. This is the only syntax. Now you can see an example. Okay, how it's working. By looking at the example only, you can understand. You have to remember syntax. There is no shortcut of skipping the syntax. Okay, if you know the syntax only, then you can use it according to the questions or application. EMP, DPT, product, three tables are there. Okay, now you can see in the EMP, DPT table, what is common column here? Department number. So 20, 20, 10, 10, 30, 30. All the possible combinations is not asked. It will act like inner join for the first case. Now, when we look at the EMP and product, there is no relation, no common column, so it will act like cross join. First case, it will act like inner join. So then, what is the need of you learning cross Cartesian join? Learn of your inner join. See, guys, natural join we are not using any join condition. Okay. Now it is okay. We are having one common column, but let's say if we have more common column, let's say the EMP table, let's say product ID is also there. Okay, location is also there. Now what nitrogen will do, it will make the match, it will give the output of matching records of all common values. Means what? I'm not getting understanding, sir. Let's say mm, department number and location is there. Okay, now location also, let's say New York is there, 20 is there. Okay, uh 10 New York again. Now I want the matching records based on department number. If we use natural join, it will, what it will do, it will check T1 10. Okay, location also New York should be there. Okay, it will check both conditions, but I want matching records based on what? Department number, not location. Here join condition is not there. Because of that, what is happening here? We are getting undesired output. We are not getting the desired output. I want matching records based on department number only, because here we are getting the same output because only one common column is there. I will explain the software. Okay, no worries. I will show you what are the disadvantages. We will see in the working. Okay, you can see what is the output: 20, 10, 30 matching records, and here all the possible combinations crossed on it is. Now, one advantage, see why we need to use natural join. First of all, two behaviors, that is advantage of two behavior, advantage of two behavior. No two syntax, only one syntax is there. Okay. Very important is no ambiguity error. So, what is the meaning of ambiguity error? Same column name. Okay. Here, department number is repeated how much times? Department number is repeated only one time, not two times. Okay. So, no need to mention the table name, EMP dot department number, DPT dot department number. Within one term, we can easily get the answer. I hope you have got it. Okay. Let's see the app, how it's working. Okay. In the software. First, let's display the employee table. Let's asterisk from EMP. 14 records visible. Yeah. Select asterisk from DBD. 4 records are there. Yeah, 14 records are there. 2 tables are there. No worries. Now, first of all, which concept we will see? We will see the cross join. All possible combinations. Okay, so what I will write, select asterisk from table name 1, EMP, cross join. Table name 2, what is that? TPT. Oh, guy, dimension is not right. Let's zoom out. Oh my god, you're getting larger data. How much? You can see total here 56 rows, 56 records. All possible combinations. 14 fours are 56. So the records are right. Now column how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 or 12? 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. Okay, right. We are getting same. Sum of columns of both table is the output of cross join, and number of records output is equal to product of records of both the table. Now let's check about inner join. What was the syntax? Select. I want to display both details, so as we use asterisk from EMP inner join deputy on join condition. What is that? EMP dot department number is equal to DPT dot department number. Okay. So you can see all the matching record. 20 is with 20, 30 is with 30, 30 is with 30. Okay, 20 is with 20 only, 30 with 30, 10 with 10. In the cross join, what is happening? All different one, 20, 10, 30, 10, 30, 10, 20, 10, 30. Okay, they all possible combinations done, which is false records are there. I want matching records, which is useful. Now, if I want to know what is the Scott department name, by looking at the Scott record only you can see research. Adams department name, Adams even research department. I want to know Ford is working in which location. Ford is working in Dallas. Okay, you can easily get. That is the beauty and advantage of inner join. Okay. Now, I will give you a question. Write a query to display department name, comma location of employee working uh, working as analyst and earns more than Smith. Okay, Smith spelling is wrong. No worries, I will write again. Control C, Control V, Smith. How will write? Select D name. comma location, department name comma location of employee. Okay, working as analyst. Analyst is coming in which table? EMP table. So what I will write? From EMP inner join DPT. Okay. Now what I will write on join condition? What is join condition? EMP dot department number is equal to DPT dot department number. See guys, by looking at the employer table also you can get the answer. It will take some time, but let's first get the output from the query and we will compare. Okay. Now what is the question? Where job is equal to analyst. You can use in operator also, but it's only a single value, so I will use equal to. And salary is more than Smith. Okay. Smith's salary is already 800. So records also there. No worries. What condition is there? Analyst also there. Select cell from combination of subquery and joins from EMP where e name is equal to Smith. Okay. This is how we will write the query. Research Dallas. Let's say now I change the question with some modification, comma, employee details. What I said, now I added condition. What condition I added? I want department name, location, and employee details. I want everything I want of employee. So what I will write? Select D name, comma, LOC, comma, EMP dot star. What is the condition? From EMP in a join DPT on join condition. Okay, now where condition is also same. It is coming or not? Upward arrow. Not coming. Where job is equal to analyst and salary should be greater than select cell from EMP where e name equal to Smith. This is how we will end. So you can get the details. Department name, location, employees are Scott and Ford working as analyst. Both salaries are 3,000, no commission and working in department number 20. You can compare the table also. Which employs Scott and Ford. Okay. Look at Scott. Okay, leave it. Scott is working in department 20, research Dallas, earning more than 3,000, condition is satisfied, working as analyst also. Okay. And which employee? Ford. Ford is also working as analyst 20, earning more than Smith's salary. Smith's salary is what? 800. So it should be more than 800. Condition is satisfied. This is how inner query will work. Our task becomes easier because of inner query. One more question. Let's see if I give you. Write a query to display department number, comma, location. Leave it. First I will write e name, department number, location, local not location of employee whose name. Sir, you are giving different questions, sir. In interview, what I explain that will not come. Different question name. Whose name ends with S. Revision of your previous concept also. So what you will write? Select department number, comma. What first word is mentioned? E-name. Okay. So I write E-name. E-name, comma, department number, comma, location. What is the join condition? From EMP, from EMP into on join condition. On, okay. Where E-name, like, shift ending with S. Percentage will come first, ending with S. Okay. Column ambiguity error. Why? Department number is from which table should I take? Confusion is there. Okay. You can see what is the output of inner query. This is the output. Okay. You can clearly see. Here 2 times department number is there. Which department number should I take? Confusion is there. To avoid that confusion, we need to mention which table we need to take. If you want, you can take EMP, or if you want, you can take DPT also. So what I will add, let's try with DPT. DPT dot department number. Control A, Control S, slash, we will get the output. Okay, I want to use EMP, sir. I don't want to use DPT. Okay, your wish. So EMP, Control A, Control S. You will get the same out of Johns, Adams, James. Working department number 202030, Dallas, Chicago. Okay. This is basic idea of inner query. You can practice a lot. It's up to you. I will give you more questions and assignment. Every notes I will give you at the end. Okay. When I feel like I have completed the session, I will share you the notes. Okay. What my condition is, please watch the video, like, share, subscribe, at least comment your doubts, ask questions. Okay. Related to the subject, right? Okay. Now let's discuss about natural join. In the natural join, now you know that syntax, select asterisk from EMP natural join DPT. This is the output. It same output like inner join, but here the difference is now department number is in beginning. Okay. And only one department number is there. Okay. So no worries. You can get the same output like inner join. And you can practice the queries here also. Now, how, sir? Let's say same condition, like inner join where salary should be more than Smith. If this was the condition, okay, it will same bucking is same. Select instead of Smith. Let's say if I give now Ford, no, Ford also is more. Miller, okay. Select sal from EMP where e name is equal to what? Miller. Okay. Control A, Control S. Okay. We will get the 8 rows. Allen, Jones, Blake, Clark. Okay, everything is okay. Now with help of inner join also, we will get the same output or not. Let's check. Instead of natural, I will just mention inner. Column indicator will come in the inner join. Why? No, missing keyword. Something is wrong here. What mistake I have done? Join condition. I am not mentioned in the inner join. Okay. We need to mention join condition for inner join. In natural join, okay. Everything is okay. On EMP dot department number is equal to DPT dot department number. Control A, Control S. Okay. 8 record same condition. Allen, Jones, Blake, Clark. Allen, Jones, Blake, Clark. Same is coming. Okay. Allen, Jones, Blake, Clark. Scott, King, Tunnel Force. Scott King Tunnel 4. We are getting the same output, no change. If we use inner join also, when we use uh, natural join also. Sir, by looking at the lines, there are 4 lines of code is there in the inner join. In the natural join, only 3 lines of code is there. Within 3 lines, we are getting the answer. So why we need to learn the inner join if we can get the output in the what to say, natural join only? See guys, here only one common column is there. Okay, so that's why we are getting the same answer. Now what will happen if more than one common column there? If more than one common column is there, then what will happen? Let's say if location column there in EMP table. Okay, sir, what do you mean? Okay, so what will happen? In the department table, department number and location is there. In EMP table also, if I mention location, 2 common column will be there. Okay, first let's see the employee table. Okay. There are 14 records are there in the EMP table. Okay. Now I want to add one more column. Okay. I want to add location column. Okay. So now what will happen here? Wait a second. Now I want to add a column location. So what I will use the syntax alter. See, I will teach you this DDL concepts uh, in the later part of the class after completing core related. Alter table EMP, add column location. Column name is location. Data type is what? Char or varchar? Okay, varchar 10 I will keep. Varchar 10. Constant, let's say null I will keep, let's say. So again, let's display select asterisk from EMP. Okay. Now what I will do here? I need to add some values. Okay. So what I will do? Update. Table name is EMP. See guys, don't worry about to alter, update what I'm thinking. Okay. I'm just adding a column so that I can explain. If you want, you can remember this as syntax. Okay. So I will teach you later also. Okay. Set location equal to, let's say I will keep New York. What is happening? Where department number is equal to 10. Okay, 3 rows updated. Let's check. Select asterisk from EMP. Okay. See what I'm doing. I am using the DML operations. Okay, which is not being saved permanently. Okay. After I close, it will be deleted. I need to save that. I will do later. Okay. Just observe what I'm doing now. Okay. Okay. Select. No, okay. Update. I will do. Update. EMP. Set location is equal to Dallas, where MGR is equal to 7698. Okay. 5 rows updated. Let's check if updated or not. Select asterisk from EMP. Okay. Select. No, select install. Select. I will update again. Update. Update. EMP. Set location is equal to Chicago, where LOC. Let's check it's working or not. LOC is null. Okay. Select asterisk from EMP. Okay. These all 14 records now having the location. Okay. I added one column and I have filled the values. Now let's check the select asterisk from DPT. Okay. Now if I use natural join, what will happen? Okay. Select asterisk from EMP natural join DPT. Okay. Now what will happen? Yes, you can see. What is the output here? 30 Chicago, Blake, okay. New York, 3 location. Blake, Clark, King, I'm like 4 records I'm getting. How it is working? So it will give the matching records based on the combination. Okay. Now you can see Chicago, 30, Blake, see. Let's see for Blake. Blake, 30, department number is 30 and working location Chicago. Okay. 30 Chicago, same. Okay. 30 department number location are matching, then only it's giving the output. Department number 10 and New York. Okay, 10 and New York is matching. Okay, it's matching for whom? King. Okay. 10 New York is matching for whom? Miller. Okay. It's matching for Clark also. Let's check. Clark record. 10 New York. Any other matching is there? Department number location. 10 New York. You can see here also. 10 New York. 30 Chicago. Okay. That's why we are getting the answer. But I want based on department number. Okay. So that we need to use what? Inner join also. So we need to use inner join only. Select asterisk from EMP. Based on department number, I want matching records. I don't want based on combination of both. Okay. If I add more, it will match the record based on combination. That's the problem here. From EMP inner join. That's why we need to use inner join. EMP inner join DPT on EMP dot department number is equal to DPT dot department number.